So, noticed your question about Chebychev's theorem. I guess, the empirical rule applies only to symmetric bell-shaped distributions. Well, what if it's not bell-shaped? What if shape of distribution is not known? The next theorem gives the inequality statement applies to all distributions. It's named after a Russian statistician, Chebychev, born back in the 1800s. And so what does it say? The portion of any data set lying within k standard deviation, or k is positive, greater than 1, of the mean is at least 1 minus 1 over k squared. So the one you're specifically asking about is when k is 2, with the picture you gave. So if k is 2, it'll be 1 minus 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 minus 1/4, which is 0.75 or 75%. And so this theorem states that 75% of the data will be within 2 standard deviations of the mean at least. Okay, hope this helps.